1-minute expanded prompt. Is Verizon not working right now? If you're seeing no service, SOS, calls failing, text not sending, or mobile data not working, there could be a temporary Verizon network issue. Before waiting for the outage to end, try these fixes. First, turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. Next, restart your phone and check if your signal comes back. If that doesn't work, go to your mobile network settings and make sure network selection is set to automatic. Also check that mobile data is enabled. If you're using a physical SIM card, remove it, wait a few seconds and put it back in. If you use eSIM, don't delete it. Just restart your device and reconnect to the network. You can also check for a carrier settings or system update, because an outdated configuration can sometimes cause connection problems. Finally, check Verizon service status or outage reports. If many users are reporting the same problem at the same time, it's most likely a network-side outage, and there may be nothing wrong with your phone. In that case, the best solution is to wait for Verizon to restore service and try reconnecting again later.